we start making little balls of clay and we put them on the paper until we have the size we want. Later, we take all the balls we put on the paper and we make a big ball. And then we put it flat on the paper. When we have the correct size, we make guidelines and we start with the eye sockets. Then we continue with the nose. We take a little ball and we model it until it has the shape of a nose. Then we make little balls for the eyes. And after this, we add some details for the eyes. Remember to use your tools. It is super important not to use a lot of water. If you use too much water, you will ruin your sculpture. To model the mouth, we can use 2 stripes of clay like these ones. Don't do the stripes too big. Continue modeling the mouth until it has the shape you want. Always use your tool. Later, we can add some details to the face. For example, as you are seeing, we can add some cheeks and we give volume to the face. We can cut the extra clay and our face will have a more natural shape. For the eyebrows, we can add a flat piece of clay and then use a very sharp tool to make these hairy details. For the ear, take a ball of clay and make it flat. Then add it to your face and give it the shape until it is as you want. Finally, when it is time to start with the hair, you can start putting flat pieces of clay until they look like a fringe. It is very important to be patient, not to rush, and always try to be symmetrical.